Over the last week, something very interesting caught my eye. Hidden technical debt in machine learning. That is the implied cost of additional rework caused by choosing an easy solution over a longer lasting approach. Why hidden? ML systems have additional challenges over traditional code that are not on your radar. For example, undeclared consumers. Without access control, you don't know who's using your model and is consequently affected by your changes. The other way around, your model could fail due to an unstable data source that is dependent on a third party. There are also patterns that can emerge like glue code through the excessive use of generic packages or pipeline jungles in data prep, both introducing insane amounts of complexity. Plus, all the ongoing challenges of models in production that must be actively monitored. I just scratched the surface here, and there are many more process management and configuration related issues, but the bottom line is, hidden technical debt negatively impacts performance and maintenance of your ML system, which stifles innovation and ends up costing you a lot of money. I will discuss solutions to technical debt and other ML topics in upcoming videos, so if you're interested, consider subscribing to my channel. But what do you think? Is technical debt in machine learning a real threat going forward? Let me know down in the comments below. Cheers.